Introducing CMT Scanner, a fully integrated and autonomous vehicle inspection system, reducing costs, diversifying service offerings, and generating new revenue. 100% autonomous with license plate recognition and DMS integration. AI technology means no additional resourcing required to operate the hardware or communicate offerings to customers. Instant tire analysis and cosmetic repair quotations. These value-add offers are instantly communicated via AI SMS for the customer's approval. If you're ready to significantly scale your service center, CMT Scanner has the solution for you.